So today I want to go over with you how to say the W and V sound. So for the V sound, what you do is you take your bottom lip and you put it just under your top teeth, like so. So that's your bottom lip underneath your top teeth, and you're going to blow some air out. And so your lip pressed against your bottom teeth actually stops the flow for a little bit, and that produces the V sound. So, okay, now let's try the W. Now with the W sound, you're going to make a small circle with your lips. So that's a small little circle with your mouth, your lips. Let's try again. Excellent. Ready to try that sound in some words and sentences? Let's begin.